Click on the link below to get price. The 16 laptop screen extender is a game changer for anyone seeking to boost their productivity and multitasking capabilities. With a sharp 1200p FHD resolution, this portable monitor is perfect for professionals, students, or anyone who requires extra screen real estate on the go. Upon unboxing, I was struck by the sleek and lightweight design of the extender. Weighing in at just a few pounds, it's easy to pack into a laptop bag without adding significant bulk. The setup process is straightforward, requiring minimal effort. The extender connects seamlessly via USB-C or HDMI, making it compatible with a wide range of laptops, including both Windows and Mac systems. This versatility is a major plus for those who often switch devices. Once connected, the display quality is impressive. The vibrant colors and sharp details enhance the viewing experience, whether I'm working on spreadsheets, editing photos, or enjoying multimedia content. The 1200p resolution strikes a balance between clarity and performance, ensuring that text remains crisp, which is especially beneficial during long working hours. Another standout feature is the ability to rotate the screen for vertical or horizontal use. This flexibility is ideal for tasks that require different orientations, such as coding or reading articles. The adjustable brightness settings also allow for customized viewing, adapting to various lighting conditions. One minor drawback is the need for a power source, as the extender does not have a built-in battery. However, this doesn't detract significantly from its functionality, as it's designed for portable use where power outlets are typically available. Overall, the 16 laptop screen extender is an invaluable accessory for anyone looking to enhance their laptop experience. Its combination of portability, impressive display quality, and ease of use make it a worthwhile investment for boosting productivity and improving work efficiency on the go. Highly recommended for anyone needing additional screen space.